What if a robot could tell how you feel, just by the way you touch it? Like, imagine your phone judging you. That tap had attitude. Someone didn't get enough sleep. Right now, most robots are basically numb. They can detect pressure, sure, but they don't understand how you touch them. And that matters. A gentle stroke, a quick tap, or a firm grab all mean very different things. Humans pick up on this instantly, but machines completely miss it. This paper tries to fix that by taking inspiration from something we don't usually think about: hairy skin. Not the weird part, the useful part. The tiny hairs on your skin actually help detect subtle, emotional types of touch, like a soft stroke or a comforting gesture. So the researchers built an artificial version of that. They created a flexible skin covered in tiny hair-like structures. When you touch it, it doesn't just measure force, it also picks up where you touched it and how you moved across it. Think of it like the difference between someone tapping your shoulder versus slowly running their hand across your arm. Same contact, completely different meaning. Here's where it gets interesting. The system turns those touch patterns into signals that behave a bit like nerve signals in our body. Then, an AI model looks at those patterns and tries to figure out the emotion behind the touch. And it actually works. The system could recognize different emotional touches, like gentle, neutral, or more intense interactions, with over 80% accuracy. That's a big deal. Because now, instead of robots just reacting to commands, they could respond to feelings. A robot pet that reacts differently when you're stressed. A prosthetic that feels more natural. Even machines that understand social cues better. What I like about this is that it's not just adding more sensors, it's changing what we measure. Not just, was there contact, but what did that contact mean? Still early, but if robots are ever going to feel truly human to interact with, this kind of emotional touch sensing feels like a missing piece. Turns out, the future of AI might not just be about seeing and hearing better, but finally learning how to feel touch the way we do.